SMP, scalp micropigmentation. Is this going to give me a hair that I can brush and play and gel it and style it every day? The answer is no. What's up guys, it's Mo here. I just wanted to highlight one important thing that it's always coming to my barber chair. The misconceptions goes this way. If I do my scalp micropigmentation, I would be able to style my hair much better. The answer is always no, because we haven't done it for you to have strands. We did not implanted any hair follicles in there. It's just an illusional ink appearance that increases the density on your scalp or fill some gaps if you've already had some, and that is going to make your overall look more fuller, and then that is going to give the full impact that you have no hair loss or alopecia or spots. Or if you have done some hair transplant, it's going to give you the density where you will relax from using any other hair boosters, which is minoxidil or finasteride. That's it. And for the people who have suffer of hair receding or full alopecia in the top and they're struggling with it, we can create for them that an illusional touch that blends in the top with the side, and then they just have to shave the side on daily basis and relax and have their confidence back. So yes, indeed, it's going to increase your overall look, but it's never going to give you a length and strands that you can use, brush and style. So once again, SMP, it's not made for you to have hair strands to deal with on day-to-day basis, nor a hair length that you can gel and style or put anything on it. It is just an illusional ink dots that we create for you to increase the density, or microblading that we create for you some fake strands that can boost your confidence, give you much more denser look where you can enjoy events, pictures, or far distance look that made you look more denser and more sharper.